team divisions Huang lead waterfall. Win handle data clean. I optimize model with focal loss involved from RNN to dual pass, achieving PER 14.7%. Key insight: coordination matters. Next, integrate transfer decoders. First, integrate transfer decoders. Target WER 25%. Second, transfer leading for the course subject generation. Third, achieve top 10% by December for the real-time BCI communication. NTU-HU Alliance Collaboration Welcome. 然后就是 Thank you Cargo Dataset 45 System 8,072 samples. Appreciating at all focal loss BCI insight. Grateful to NTHU AI Islands advisor Professor Chen Yixin. In the future, we will combine with EEGNet feature extraction to improve to 25%.